Another very rare example, just bought locally. You'll only know how rare this car is once you try to find another one like it. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Exclusive Audi colour, camouflage green metallic. £2,000 option according to the price list. This car's got £3,560 worth of factory fitted options, including the 20-inch Rotor alloys, of course exclusive colour, fine Nappa leather and heated seats. I absolutely love this colour. You will probably not find another one like it for sale. I've seen them on the road, but it's the first one I'm delighted to say I've got my hands on. Just look at it. It really does stand out. Q3 2.0 TDI Black Edition. 185 brake horsepower, of course QUATTRO, 4-wheel drive, automatic. 2017 on a 67 plate. Extensive service history, including the Heldex gearbox change and cam belt change as well. So it's the Heldex 4-wheel drive change, so the gearbox oil change, it's the cam belt change as well. Just 54,000 miles, 2017 on a 67 plate. Let's take you around it. What a beauty. Just look at that colour. Absolutely love that colour. Electric tailgate. Lots of space on these Q3s. Nice size boot. Lovely and clean, not been abused, knocked about as you can see. Split folding rear seats. Of course you've got the cover over there. This one also has the spare wheel, which many of them don't have, so it's got the spare wheel. So it makes the electric tailgate. Absolutely gorgeous on the bodywork. It is fabulous. Of course you've got the black pack, which is on the black wheel arches, black across the bottom of there, black mirrors, nice chrome exhaust there. So rear parking sensors, all down the sides, absolutely beautiful. No dents, scratches, dings, scrapes anywhere. It's got this fabulous 20-inch Rotor alloys. We've not refurbished any of these. This is how the cars come in. There might be the odd tiny mark, but genuinely they are in fabulous condition. Matching Pirelli tyres all the way around with plenty of tread. So that gives you an indication of how well it's been looked after by the previous owners. Of course you've got the gloss black across there, black roof rails, black mirror caps, gloss black trim across there, across the bottom. Again, wheel arch there, nicely S-line on there. Again, look at the near side wheel. Again, beautiful condition. Of course, the 20-inch Pirelli tyres on it. And again, the black carries on across the front, black grille across there, all across the front, lovely and clean. Of course, there is a few odd tiny stone chips. We don't claim to sell perfect cars, but we do give you a full close-up so you know it's not been peppered or damaged or scrapes, so you can make an informed decision from the comfort of your armchair. And you're literally walking around with this car on my hands and knees, so you get a real close-up. And sometimes I've been told it actually magnifies some of the stone chips, which aren't as bad in real life as they are on the video. So just bear that in mind. I say that is feedback from some customers, but at least you know what the car's like before you travel. So again, the driver's wheel, great condition. I certainly can't see any damage on it there. And again, all down the sides. Again, just look at that colour. Don't you love that colour? As I doubt if you'll see another one out there, because it's a £2,025 option according to the price list. The final wheel and tyre, again, great condition on that. Let's take you inside it. Again, all the trims, all the entry points for the Bose sound system. Plenty of legroom in there. You've got the fine Nappa leather, all in great condition, non-smoker's car. All the interior is gorgeous, no nasty smells inside there. Again, all the door trims, all undamaged. Got the folding mirrors as well. The sport seats, again in great condition, nicely S-line embossed. Flat bottom, multifunctional steering wheel. Mileage 54,374, that's how it's done. 54,374. All across the front. No damage, no scrapes. All the interior as it should be. Beautiful condition. Let's just start it up. Nice big clear screen on there. And of course on the steering wheel you've got the paddle shift on there. Volume control on there. Or the menu on there, which you can change on there. Very straightforward. Cruise control and speed limiter. Folding mirrors. Of course, a great sound with a Bose. Of course, all the navigation, everything's all on there. It's all controlled from there on the menu there. Scroll through media, navigation, telephone, all the car information. Get the suspension exactly how you want it, auto. Vehicle settings and service. Next service is due then. Bluetooth phone connection. All very straightforward. Navigation. The map on there. So all very straightforward to control off that. As I mentioned, it's all controlled off there. You've got the full menu on there. Radio, media. CD, SD cards in there. And this one's also got heated seats, which are just down there, which again was an option. So again, a great option, of course, with the leather. Dual zone climate control. Again, the drive select. You can change on there without having to go to the menu. So again, that comes up on the dashboard. Shows you on there. You've also got the cool box. You're carrying cold drinks. That'll keep them cold in there. Of course, nice QUATTRO in there. Auto gearbox, and of course, media input in there. So there we have it. Our fabulous Q3 S-Line Black Edition TDI QUATTRO in this outstanding camouflage green metallic. As I mentioned, just over £3,500 worth of factory fitted options. We have 2 sets of keys. We have complete book pack. We have service printout. We welcome part exchange. If you've got a part exchange, we'll happily take it off you, making the whole process nice and easy. Drive in with your part exchange and drive away with your new car. To get accurate description on your part exchange, just fill in the details online on our website or pick the phone up and tell me all about it. I'll try to give you an accurate price over the phone. So finance is available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your details, low deposit, low monthly payments, and apply direct off the website. And if you do fancy this, at whatever hour in the morning, noon or night, hit that reserve button, because once it's reserved, it comes off sale. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not described correctly, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. But with the video, you know exactly what you're getting. So simple as that really. The video will show you every single detail to give you the confidence to buy that car unseen. We can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details. Additional costs do apply, but you could have that on your driveway tomorrow. Specialist Cars, established since 1997, 29 years. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Multi-award winning dealer. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. So there we have it. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.